If you're already getting a rate that you're happy with and the dealership can beat it by a little bit, then why not save some more money, right? Well, I worked at a dealership and I can tell you firsthand, we are not supposed to just give you the best rate. We are supposed to give you the rate that makes the most money for the dealership. So sometimes somebody would come in and say, I got a 6% from my credit union. And then I'd go run their credit and get them approved for a 4% from our credit union. But I also got an approval for a 5.9%, just under their 6%, which marginally beats it. And that's, of course, the one the dealership is going to tell me to tell them because we make more money. It's not like telling them I got a 6% is going to make it so that when they send your credit out to 7 banks, all those banks are going to try and beat 6%. It doesn't work like that. You're going to get approvals back from all the banks based on what rate and term they think you qualify for. And if the dealership gets a super low rate, way lower than what you were hoping, you're never, ever going to hear about it. I would say instead, tell the dealership that you're already approved at a great rate and they don't need to know it, that they can come back to you with the very best rate they get. I don't recommend using dealership financing anyway, unless it's incentivized financing or super convenient for you and you know you're getting the buy rate. I would just tell the dealership to kick rocks. In the end, can I get a better rate with the dealership? Yes, but will it always be the best rate that they were given? No. I know I sound like a broken record, but this is a big part of the reason I tell all of you to do everything at home. If I was at the dealership and they were rate shopping for me and they came back with an okay rate, not as good a rate as I know that they were able to get, it's all about how long I'll sit there and see if they can get me a better rate. Whereas if I'm at home and they tell me some shitty rate, I can tell them, I'm not interested, I'll just bring a check. They're gonna quickly tell me, here's the better rate, sorry about that, because they don't wanna lose my business. Guys, I'm telling you right now, if you don't follow me already, you need to. All these little tips definitely help. Knowledge is power, and I want each and every one of you to stop rewarding the man for taking advantage of us. This is how we take a stand. We get educated and we fight back.